Let's keep it real. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a management problem. You cannot multiply what you refuse to monitor. If you don't track your money will track you. Wealth file number 14. Rich people manage their money well. Poor people mismanage their money. Here's the truth. You can make 50,000 or 500,000. If you don't know where it's going, you'll still end up broke, stressed, or stuck. Rich people treat money like a business partner. Poor people treat money like a mysterious stranger. One asks, "Where are we going?" The other says, "I don't know, I'm just hoping for the best." Wealthy people give every dollar a job. Poor people let their dollars wander around with zero direction. Money loves clarity. Money loves leadership. Money loves management. Think about it like this. Imagine hiring an employee, and that employee shows up late, leaves early, and takes lunch breaks on the hour. Would you keep him? Of course not. Yet people let their money act like that every single day. No schedule, no structure, no accountability. Meanwhile, the wealthy say, "You work for me now." Every dollar has an assignment to save, to grow, to build, to produce. That's why money listens to them, because they act like a boss, not a beggar. Y'all, I will never forget when I finally tracked every dollar in my life for the first time. I'm not going to lie. It was humbling. Your girl had a lot of Amazon orders. I realized I wasn't broke. I was just financially disorganized. Once I put my money on a schedule, investments here, taxes here, business there, my financial stress dropped tremendously. And my wealth skyrocketed because it wasn't about how much money I made. It was about how well I was stewarding what came to me. I'm going to tell you, the hardest one that I ever had to do was take the money that I made from one of my biggest wholesale assignment deals and to roll that money over into a new property that wasn't going to cash flow on day one. The whole check within like 2 or 3 days of getting it. I didn't get to spend any of it. That whole check went into an investment property, and that property now brings in $6,000 a month. With expenses, all of that good stuff, we walk away with about $2,000 in cash flow. So grateful, but guess what? It took me a long time to see the upside and to start cash flowing that property. So again, it is a game of patience. Now, let me give you some steps that you can actually apply. Here's your Wealth Builders Challenge for this week. Track every dollar, and I mean every single one, down to the penny. Be very, very detailed in what you're doing. Number one, list all of your accounts. Number two, write down the monthly flow of money from that account. Number three, assign every dollar a job. Number four, spend 30 minutes journaling. Where am I being a great steward? And where am I being sloppy? You don't need a new paycheck. You need a new plan. If any of this information hit home for you, drop money magnet time in the comments. And share this with someone who keeps wondering where their money went, because wealthy people tell their money where to go. So you never have to wonder where it is. Download your free tax shield formula to learn how to manage and multiply your money like the wealthy do. Welcome to Wealth Builders, where money has a mission and you are the CEO. See you in the next video.